All right, here I have Wilson Street Railroad crossing here in Evarts, Kentucky. So second track was no longer used anyway. So here at the first signal, it has a safe train base, safe train gate mechanism. You have CSX emergency information. It's really old. The DOT number is 353226L. The milepost is 250.82. The lights are all safe train top by 24-inch lights with dial-light bulb LEDs and the Rico LED gate lights. And see right here, it's no longer used. So yeah, over here we have second signal. I can walk over here. So here I have a second signal, which is similar to the first. It has another safe train base, another safe train gate mechanism, and here is the relay case. Over here we have another CSX emergency information, and the lights are all, there are some 12 pairs of safe train top by 24-inch lights with dial-light bulb LEDs, and the gate lights are Rico LED gate lights. And finally, the bell is a safe train Type 3 electronic bell from CSX and Norfolk Southern. And there's a pathway right down there, as you can see right there. These actually use pretty shape up here because they're still used about 2013. As you can tell, they start all over the ground. And there's a heavyweight for the gate arms. It's a little heavy. So yeah, I can go back over here. Yeah, right there. So here I have Wilson Street Railroad crossing in Evarts, Kentucky. Over and out.